Hello again, everybody. I'm John Kosar from Asbury Research. Welcome to Stock Charts Industry Experts. Today, we're going to take a look at some really important charts and indicators that we track here at Asbury. We think the market is in a really important inflection point that we think is likely to be resolved this week. So this is Tuesday. And so over the course of the next, let's call it 2 to 4 sessions or so, the market's got a decision to make whether it's going to keep the 2024 uptrend alive or whether we're going to roll into a correction. Everything that we're going to look at today is going to indicate that we really need to re-engage now, or that scary correction that people have been worried about since the beginning of the year is likely to engage. So let's get started and follow the money. The first thing we're going to look at is our own indicator. This is the Asbury Research website here, asburyresearch.com. We're going to go to the Research Center and we're going to look at the Asbury 6. The Asbury 6 are 6 tactical indicators that we back tested to work well together. By work well, I mean no indicator is going to give you a good signal all the time. So we found a group of 6 that were pretty diverse from each other, that tended to pick each other up as 1 or 2 of those indicators may fail on a certain setup or a certain part of the market, and the other 4 will pick it up. So there are 6 indicators here. None of them have to do with the direction of the S&P 500 really, except for the rate of change, which is up here on top. The other ones have to do with relative performance or asset flows or volatility or trading volume or market breadth. Right now, you can see they're 3 and 3. So what does that mean? That means the market's in balance. If you think of the market as kind of a seesaw, it means it's kind of balanced right on the fulcrum. What does that mean? It means if we go back to 4 green, 4 or more green, that's going to be positive and show us internally the market is leaning towards moving higher. If 4 or more of these turn red, now that indicates the market is weakened and it's going to be vulnerable to a long overdue correction as far as we're concerned. The next one we're going to look at, so this tells you, should I be invested? And it's telling you the market's right on the point where we really have to pay attention.